Hello, I'm Dan. Welcome back to another episode of Factorio. So, we are working on transport belts. And these are going to be our fast transport belts. So, what do we need here? We're going to need inserters, long-handed and regular fast inserters. So, let's go get some fast inserters. Since we seem to be out, those should be over this way somewhere. I have to remember where everything actually is. In our ridiculous setup here. Back here, I think. Ah, yeah, here we go. Let's grab one stack of those. Okay, so one of our problems that we're having right now is iron. So we're trying to get these inserters made, or these belts, transport belts made, so we can speed up some of our transport belts, because it's part of our problem. The other part of our problem is that we just need more throughput, which we will take care of at some point. So, we're making transport belts here. So, these are going to go here, like so. And then we're going to need some long-handed inserters, which are also going to go here. And you know what? We're probably just going to do this as well. It's probably overkill, but better safe than sorry. We need some electric poles now. Here. And here. And then that'll need to connect up. So maybe here. Okay, we haven't actually told these what they're going to make yet. These will need to output onto a belt, which we are then going to bus. So, we've got our regular belts here. So this is going to come to here and then here. Like so. Okay. And then these are going to make fast transport belts. Now I gotta remember shift. No, oh, okay, we screwed that up. We'll come back to that in a second. Reset, fast. Hit shift, right click, and then left click. There we go. Okay, so now we're making fast. Okay, we're not quite there yet. We're about to be making fast transport belts. We need a splitter, which means we need some iron. Here we go. Give me a splitter. We have to load balance this mess. Here we go. There it is. So this needs to go here. Then this needs to go like this, and this needs to go like that. That doesn't work. Hang on. Let's pick these up. And we're going to have to move this around just a tiny little bit. So this is going to come up here like this and go like that. Splitter is going to go here. This guy is going to go here. And then this is going to go like that. There we go. Now we are load balanced properly, kind of. And this is going to back up. Okay, so next step in our mess here is going to be the express transport belts. So these are made in either this one or I guess we don't have the next one unlocked. How do you put lubricant into something like that? I'm not sure. Okay, so we're gonna need and this is only gonna be, we're only gonna make one of these. And the express belts go into making these splitters. So the splitters are also going to be um, on the same spot. We're going to put these splitters on the same spot as the express transport belts. So what we're going to do is we're going to set this up like right in here. So we should make, I guess we should probably make the equipment for the splitters first. Feed that down to the splitters. And then, so, okay, so we need to make 10 advanced circuits, huh? This is going to be rough. Right. So 10 advanced circuits, 10 iron gear wheels, and 4 express transport belts per splitter. Yes. So, advanced circuits take these regular circuits and copper cable. That's this whole mess we've made down here somewhere. This whole mess. We're gonna do it not efficiently because we're not gonna need a ton of these. So, we need to make regular circuits, which means we need one of these for copper cable, and then one of these for regular circuits. Then we need to make advanced circuits, which is going to need plastic bars, copper cable, and the electronic circuits. So we need some more iron. There we go. So one of these for more copper cable, and then one of these for the advanced circuits. Okay. Now from there, we will need one more advanced one, I think, which should do it. I feel like we didn't make... Oh, I think we used... Hang on. I think we used some of our regular assembly machines in making our advanced one. Okay, so we're going to need copper and iron are the first things. So we're going to need... And we're going to need to bring our plastic through as well. So let's belt this stuff up to like here, and I am definitely out of regular transport belts. I can just kind of cheat a little bit here, grab some off of this line. Okay, so we need to bring that through. We need to bring the copper through. We need to bring the plastic through. So, copper is way back here. Okay, we're going to need underground belts. There we go. We're obviously going to need more than that, but that'll do for the moment. Oh, there's a tree here. Get rid of that. The copper. And we need to bring the plastic through. Means we also need to grab a little bit of iron here. Okay, the plastic's going to be the harder part. By a lot. Okay, so... we need some transport belts. Here we go. Just a little bit. So here, and then this is going to go like this, and like this. Okay, and then it's going to come along here. And we're just going to go like that. And that'll bring our plastic through. Roughly. Okay, so now this is the hard part, right? So we need to bring copper down, and we need to bring iron down. And we're getting attacked again. Let's go check on that. We haven't looked up here in a little while. See how our walls are doing. Make sure nothing is getting damaged per se. Don't see anything damaged, so things seem to be fine. That's good. Okay. Everything's a-okay. Alright, so let's head back down this way. Okay, so first things first. Copper wire. So we need to bring copper down. We'll put copper on the inside and then iron on the outside. So we want to get the iron down here. Let's just run this along here like this a little bit. Okay, so we want to bring the iron down roughly there. So we're going to need splitters. I didn't really want to pick up that plastic, but that's fine. Okay, so we're going to need a couple splitters here. And we're going to manufacture all the splitters, but we probably won't use much. Once we switch to the better ones, we probably won't use these anymore, but we might as well manufacture them anyways. Right, so we want to do this. Actually, we want to do this. And then let's get these off of our hot bar. We need some more belts in a second here. I really should just like find a specific way that I like to set up the hot bar, because I haven't yet. Anyways, so let's we want to bring this. We're going to need to move this back just a little bit. This is going to come down like so. And then we're going to go underneath. And this is where our iron is going to go. Now we want to bring the copper down here, which is going to be harder. Because we will need to make some room. Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit harder. A little bit, not a ton, but so this is gonna have to go. We're just gonna make it use the whole length. And then this is going to have to go here. Copper's going to connect up to that, and then we're going to go this way. We will have to bring the plastic down then too. And I think this will be fine. It's not ideal, but it will work. Because that slows things down a little bit, but it'll be fine. So we're going to start with this. We'll figure out how we're bringing the plastic down next. I mean, it's going to be a little bit isolated here, so it should be all right. Okay, so this guy. You are making copper wire. The copper wire is feeding into this one, which is making circuits. So here, Do we need copper anywhere else in this? Oh, we're going to need copper further down too. Yeah, I think we can get away with a long-handed inserter there. Okay. Now, this is feeding into the advanced one, which is going to be here. And that'll be grabbing plastic bars and electronic circuits and copper cable. So we're going to need, let's get rid of this. This will go here, and that'll feed into that guy and feed into that guy, like so. And we'll need to bring, I think we can squeeze it, if we can squeeze it down, if we can squeeze the copper cable down here, and I think we can. Not the copper cable, the plastic bars. So that's going to go like that. Man, I'm not entirely sure how. I guess we could bring the plastic bars down this side. How many do you need? You need 2. Yeah, you can use a long-handed inserter. So we're going to bring the plastic bar. Here's this. This is going to be our output. And this is going to be, okay. We're going to output down because we're building all this stuff right here. So we're going to bring the plastic bars in roughly here. So we're going to need to bring this through like so. And we will need a splitter roughly here. And we're going to turn and go. Oh, and we're out of belts again. It's all right. Luckily, we have belts right here. Okay, we're going to need to turn and go this way. This is going to go this way. That will bring us plastic down where we need the plastic. Okay, so we need the plastic in this guy. Need a long-handed inserter for that. Okay, and we will bring this down to like there. Okay, let's program this stuff. So you are making copper cable. You are making electronic circuits. You are making advanced electronic circuits. You are making copper cable. So we should just be able to, let's get these big electric poles off of our hotbar. We don't need them there. We're just gonna power all of these like so. Now we don't have an output yet for these, and we will do that now. And we only actually need, where do we need the advanced? We need the advanced in that one. And yeah, just this one. So the advanced are going to come down this way, which will be fine. Okay. Now, we're going to make these. And these will need advanced. They will need iron gear wheels. And they will need the express. So, maybe I'm thinking we'll bring these around and back up, and we'll make this stuff over here Okay. So these, yeah, that makes sense to me. So let's plan out this guy. Okay, so this guy is going to go right here. Okay, and this guy is going to make express transport belts. So, express transport belts. He's going to need lubricant. Lubricant is going to be a little bit of a problem, but not too much of a problem, I don't think. The big issue is we want him... We kind of want the lubricant to come in the top. So this is gonna be pretty much a pain in the butt. So we're gonna bring this guy up here. We are going to make another set of underground belts. Bring it through. Okay. Now we're going to need one splitter. All right, splitter is done. We're going to need another splitter, but we'll start with one. Okay. This is coming down like so. We also need to bring our iron gear wheels through. All right, we're going to need more iron. Excellent. Okay. Iron gear wheels need to come through. We need to grab some transport belts here. Here we go. And then, oh, not that guy. You go to there, and we need to bring that through. Okay, so for our transport belts, we need a lot of iron gear wheels. We don't need a lot of transport belt, and we need lubricant. So we're going to bring these guys down like so. Okay? Then that'll give us the option to put this guy down, and we'll bring in the lubricant on one side, and then we will output on the other side. So we're going to put this guy right about, I'm going to say right about there. Okay? And you're going to make our express transport belts. We're going to set you up just like that. And then one of these, and we're going to say two of these. Two is probably overkill. It's not really going to matter for the most part. And then this is going to output down like so. And that's going to be into a steel chest. Okay, and then we're going to output from the steel chest into another assembly machine, which we need a little bit more iron for. Oh, actually, we need copper, surprisingly enough. There we go. Okay, so this is making that. We will have to bring the lubricant all the way over here. It's going to take a little bit of effort, but I think we'll be able to manage. Okay, so this is going to go there. This guy is going to make our splitter Okay, and then the splitters need iron gear wheels, which is easy enough. Nope. So let's see here. Splitters, iron gear wheels, easy enough. We have to use those anyways. Advanced circuits and the transport belts. Advanced circuits are being made right here. So there's our iron gear wheels. We can actually just do something like this, and that will bring those around. So we've got here and here, and then this guy can just actually output into a steel chest right there. Okay, so now we need to bring, oh, it's so dark. So dark. We need to bring our lubricant up. So let's go find the lubricant and see about routing that where it needs to go. Where are we producing lubricant at? Way down here, huh? Right, so lubricant. Let's make one more tank, I guess. Right there, and then we need to work on routing the lubricant. And then we're just going to go like this to here, and then here over to here, and here up to, oh, don't stand on that, here. There we go, and then this way. Over. Actually, let's back it up a little bit here. And let's go over one to this side. There we go. We'll just turn and go up now. And then this way. I'm actually really surprised how many of these pipes we actually had on us at the time. So here, and we got to keep going this way, kind of. There. We're going to have to go get some more of these underground pipes. Yeah, let's go get some more of those. They're being made way back this way. We're making progress towards drones. Definitely. We're making progress towards a lot of things. I'm very excited about drones, though. Let's just take all of them. Take like half a stack of those. I think that'll actually about do it for this episode. We'll finish this up next time. Or at least we'll finish up this part of it next time. Move on to the next part. If you liked the video, click like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time for some more Factorio. Thanks for watching.